can attest to is something even visible to the blind anyway. The property being claimed that belonged to the former deputy governor in person of Engineer Melanie, there's no structure on it. We only have about 2 or 3 tar boilers there, which are equipment for road construction. So I don't know what property will have been destroyed or will have been removed from undeveloped piece of land. You can put your camera there and see. So no structure on his own land. And the structure removed, as you can see, and I believe you've captured it with your cameras, just this fence blocking free flow of vehicle for residents of this neighborhood. There's one here, there's one over there. And however, before I gave approval to it, due diligence was carried out. Fine, the federal government has a road setback, which Federal Minister of Housing and Urban Development gave to them. But I have it in the file here, which I can show to you. There's a survey that even show that there is a road on this layout, which they've already carved together so that they have now made those residents over here not to have access to their land. And we are not going to accept this. So it's only those fences that were removed. So no building was pulled down.
All right. So we didn't even tamper with any property. We are after the surface roads. And we have even reported to Federal Minister of Lands. Then we went to State Minister of Land. So, and they came here. When they came here, they saw everything that already is service road. And we brought our master plan. They go through it. From there, they saw everything clearly, that this place is a service road. And this road has been excavating for years. I was here since 1997. This space here, this undeveloped land here, belonged to former governor of Oyo State, former deputy governor, Engineer Rauf Olaniyan. When you go, you can see it now. There's nothing there.
Yusuf Bolaji lorúkọ mi, community secretary ni mí. Temidire Zone 1 Bodija Express Ibadan. Nítorí ṣẹlẹ̀ ní wípé ọ̀nà yìí ńlá máa ń gbà tipẹ́tipẹ́ kó tó di wípé àwọn èèyàn yìí wọ́n débí wọ́n ralẹ̀. Nígbà tí wọ́n dẹ̀ débí, Engineer Rauf Olaniyan, Alhaji Rahman, then mi ò mórúkọ bọ̀bọ̀ tó ra wájú lókè yẹn, àbúrò Rahman náà wọ́n pè wọ́n ní àbúrò àwọn ni pé àwọn làwọn para bẹ̀. So nígbà tá a wá ń wò wípé kò sí solution kankan fún amọ́ láti máa kọjá wọlé, wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń block nígbà tí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ fi bẹ̀ yẹn rẹ́ǹtì fún àwọn mẹkáníìkì gbogbo bẹ̀ ibẹ̀ náà ń gbà ibi gbogbo tí wọ́n ṣe ń bì náà ibi làwọn náà gbà tí wọ́n fi ṣe gbogbo tí wọ́n ṣe. Àwọn adásìkò tankan tí wọ́n dé wọ́n dẹ̀ fẹ́ dì àwa lọ sọ fún Federal Ministry wọ́n dẹ̀ wá wọ́n máa kẹ́ pé wọ́n mọ̀ àwọn ò sọ pé kán dí Federal Service Road.
Should we expect to make sure the road is accessible?
Normally as a government, and you've already blocked their passage. So we are not going to be there as a government.
See, blocking it down.
Snap now. Should we later give it to them? There's no permanent structure. Erected on the land. On the community have complained
kéèyàn mọ̀ kárí wà lọ lọ́sí tó tẹ̀ ṣe téèyàn mọ̀ ṣé fẹ́rẹ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe wáyé lọ́yẹ̀ àti pé òun ṣe wáyé